Huh. All right.
You think it's
Looks
dead?
good.
Doesn't look like it's
I
moving.
think
Not
it's
sure if
alive.
it's, not sure.
Oh, I don't know. How do you tell if they're alive?
Looks
If
like it's
they're,
been there a while.
yeah, that one had a little bit of like schmutz on it, so a little bit of gunk. Usually they're cleaner when they're alive and moving a little bit.
We keep getting these little blasts of slightly warmer water and slightly lower oxygen water.
Mm-hmm. It's interesting. Anything, is Sage running today?
It is, and it's getting little bumps in CO2 that are opposite the oxygen depletions.
Interesting.
I gotta zip ahead here.
Yeah. Just keep our eyes open for Nautilus. The animal, not the boat. A lot of little scorpion fish on this dive.
Dave, can I ask why that little streak of color appears?
The purpleness.
Yeah.
It's reflection off of something.
It's reflection, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it might be the
Like something
slurp,
shiny down
yeah,
below?
the slurp handle or something. If you push the porch out, it might change.
Oh,
Tilt.
it went away.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tilt up too.
it's probably the temp probe.
Oh, yeah.
Shiny things up front are bad. Yeah.
Maybe tilt up a little bit, unless you need to see the porch there. Oh, that did it too.
That's better. Thanks for that. I thought I was just getting tired and seeing things.
Does anybody have dreams about dives?
I haven't actually. Like not these dives. Scuba dives, yes. These dives I haven't.
Nope.
May just be too exhausted when I get sleep.
I have dreams about Alvin dives sometimes, but they're kind of nightmares.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah, I had like a kind of a crushing dream,
Ooh,
not
that's
good.
scary.
But I still get in the sub.
Is it like at home or on a vessel or anywhere?
More at home because I
Okay.
guess because I'm mostly at home.
Okay.
But I feel like we've made a breakthrough here tonight. I've talked about it a little bit.
Is that with the sub right after the
Is that a crab?
what was the name of that sub? I forgot all of a sudden.
Alvin?
I was out with Alvin right after the
Oh, the deep,
deep-
or what was
yeah.
it called?
Triton.
Ocean
Triton.
Gate.
Titan.
Yeah, Ocean Gate.
Ocean
yeah,
Gate.
yeah.
Yeah, and people weren't really freaked out by it. They were diving.
Yeah. Yeah, Alvin's got a
I
tremendous
was
record.
thinking people would be kind of wary and not wanting to go,
Yeah.
but nobody was too worried.
Can we zoom on this thing down here? I think that's coral.
Zoom in, Dave.
Maybe a bamboo? I see notes.
Ah, yes, the Nautilus the musical. That's right there. I see nodes
Getting a little punch
everywhere I
drunk up
look.
here, I think. Don't usually burst into song.
Yeah, we're happy. Bamboo. And there's a whip.
Oh yeah, that whip on the left is nice.
Zoom on that, Dave.
Again, the bamboo. I think we saw the same one earlier on the dive, or our watch.
This very same one?
Well, yeah, it moved.
I think the one earlier had a different coloration to it, but similar structure. It was
Really?
a
I
little
remember it was,
paler.
oh, it was a little paler, yeah.
Yeah.
But it was kind of pinkish orange, I thought.
There can be some, it seems like there can be some speciation with depth, even at a single site.
That previous one was also the curly Q variety, I think, if I remember correctly.
Looks like a little bit of a
Yeah.
sponge behind there, squat lobster. Big anemone. Another urchin there. Very thick spines. Looks like another Chrysogorgia coming up ahead. And maybe a Victor Gorgia there on the right, the purple.
Oh, bold move.
Could be an ophthalmian. Have to see if it wiggles.
Yeah, here comes the purple.
Yeah, I'm not,
I did say maybe.
I'm not even going there. You
You zoom in, Dave.
Let's see, is it bendy?
maybe? I think it's Victor Gorgia.
Yeah.
Just going for it.
Just going for it.
Okay.
Zoom in, Dave.
Oh, it's a bamboo coral.
Oh, look at that little crab claw. It's like, come on in.
Or something less welcoming. It's amazing how much variation there is in these bamboos. There's whips, there's branch, there's fans, there's kind of these bushy trees.
bottle brush. They're the like ones that have like a canopy to them.
Yeah.
Oh, phew. Asako agreed on the Victor Gorgia. I'm back, baby. Oh, and Martina agreed as well. Molto bene. You know, our folks online are joining us from Sicily and Japan. It's pretty awesome that they can follow along.
Kind of like all over the world. It's awesome.
Beneficial to have that telepresence. So.
Yeah.
Definitely. Nice urchin there. Got a coral up above. Squat lobsters. Anybody see a fish? Anybody? I'm not seeing any.
No fish.
Oh, there's something peeking out at the left upper corner under a rock. Not sure if it's a fish.
In this vicinity?
Zoom in,
Yeah, to the left of the lasers. Might just be, I don't even know what that is.
It's,
Oh, just some little webby stuff teasing me like it's a fish. Okay. Thanks for looking. I appreciate you guys.
So what's the Niskin scene?
yeah, what do you want to fire on?
How many do we have?
3.
We can trigger 4?
Yes.
Okay, then I think we could do duplicates here at the summit and maybe over by, is that another Nautilus shell ahead of us?
We're not going to make the summit, but
Well,
we're going to bail
Well,
in
I
a
mean,
second.
Wherever we
before we bail.
Yeah.
So
We'll
wherever
zoom
we're
on
We
at,
that thing.
should be doing that now then.
that would be great. Is that a Nautilus shell?
Zoom in there.
Is-
Ooh.
Yep.
Sweet.
Gosh,
Number
it's
2.
starting to get manganese on it.
It's
So
a
we're
pretty
doing
old
that.
one. Yeah, that one's,
Doing it here?
leave it here.
No,
But we can go- oh, we can go
can't
ahead
pick it
and-
up anyway. We don't have anything to pick up.
Yeah, let's
Ooh.
fire the Niskins
Let's
and
do
then
it.
Yep.
hit the road.
Yeah, so we're gonna do Niskins 4 and 5 here, and we'll do 6 at 50 meters from the surface.
Okay. Is the camera rack back? Watching?
Yep.
Okay,
Oh,
and then
and 5 as well.
and 5
Bob.
as well,
Oh, 5 as
please.
well. Right.
Let's go ahead and do duplicates here.
Quit it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see.
Wait, is it working now?
No,
Oh.
one side's working, the other side's not.
Oh, is it the loose side?
Yeah, there we go.
Thank you very much.
Okay, that's 332 and 333.
Okay, let's see. I'm just driving straight out. Yeah. Let's see which way you need to turn. Yeah, not that way.
Okay, Erica, I'm stopping pumps 10 and 11. Pump 10 has 186 liters, and pump 11 has 200 liters.
Thank you.
And then I am starting pump 12 and pump 13.
Okay, coming up.
Pump 12 and 13 is going to be sample 334 and 335.
Okay, off bottom.
There's still time for my shark. If anyone sees it, let me know. Or even if we see any of those threshers you saw at some of the others in the back camera, that'd be cool too. I'll take any elasmobranch, rays, skates. Have we seen, and we've seen skates, right? They saw skates on one of the dives recently. Have we seen any other elasmobranchs?
What was that, Beth?
I was wondering if anybody's seen any sharks or rays. I feel like somebody told me they saw some skates.
We've had a request to encounter a live nautilus on the ascent.
And if folks can help remind me, when we hit 200, I need to switch sample pumps. And when we hit 50 meters, we need to do the last Niskin.
Roger that.
It's getting late, so extra eyes and minds are helpful.
Copy.
Buffetai.
How many knots? Oh, 0.3.
Yeah, I thought he said 3 at first. I was like,
What?
whoa. I go that fast on my DPV and my mask is like ripping off my face.
Not really roaring up here, are we? Yeah, all right. Yeah. You can actually come up faster if you put some lateral in it. I don't know why that is, but not by much, but a little bit.
Are there any good blue water games? I feel like, when you're on a road trip, you can like look for different car models like Volkswagens or buses or, that like license plate bingo.
Yeah, there's Name That Salp. Uh, what larval stage am I? Uh, and how far did those lasers go?
Those all sound very...
They're really, none of them are very fun.
I've also played Count the Marine Snow.
What about so what sometimes you do in sub is like, it wouldn't work here. Turn all the lights off or flash the lights and get the bioluminescence
Yeah.
back.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't have,
Well, I think
enough
we
gain on the camera.
Yeah, need a different camera for that.
There are some like larvae floating around that are kind of cool.
What happens if we turn off the lights for a moment and just leave the lasers on?
You'll just see the lasers.
Oh.
Whoa. Yeah. That's cool.
You can see the Niskins flashing too.
The shark and the nautilus are in camera view right now.
Yeah.
You just can't see them.
Okay, good test. Can't see anything with the lights off.
But the lasers look cool. So there's that.
I like my idea of having a kind of a rastering laser that you can have it like put a ruler out there or something.
I think it's a cool idea. I wonder about calibration.
Yeah.
Bob, can you tell me which pumps were filtered?
So we are on pumps 12 and 13. We are switching to 14 and 15 when we hit 200 meters. Unless you want to change that.
No, that sounds good. Thank you.
Okay.
Got to remind the deck crew, tomorrow we're going to go a bit deeper. Might be a good time to rinse and grease the wire.
How deep are we going tomorrow?
I think 2,500 maybe for a start.
Oh, okay. Is this to get the rocks? I
Yeah,
saw there were some rock objectives.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, they want that particular seamount tomorrow, or the bank, is one of those that looks like it has contributions from multiple hotspots, and maybe the kind of arch volcanism that results from basically the load put on the crust from the islands that causes it to flex upwards away from it, that induces a little melting. Right, Erica?
Deck control. We're at 225 meters coming up. Valve control. We're at 205 meters coming up.
Don't worry, my finger is on the trigger for the pumps, but I appreciate that reminder.
Me too.
204, 202, 201. Gonna go ahead and stop
Activate
pumps.
puffing.
Pumps 12 and 13 are stopped, and 14 and 15 are starting. Great teamwork there. I appreciate you. And Erica, when you're ready, I can give you volumes.
Oh, shoot. Go ahead.
For pump 12, it's 47 liters, or 47.5 liters. And for pump 13, it's 42.
Thank you.
And my next sample will be a Niskin at 50 meters.
What is this thing that's flying along with us? Is that a little squat lobster?
Yeah, I think so.
Enjoying the light.
Coming right along with us. There you go.
Oh.
Is it just bouncing between the porch and the
Yeah.
cameras?
He's like,
Yeah.
guys, I made it. I'm going to the surface world.
Been attracted to the lights.
Toto, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore.
Yeah, I don't think he can swim that fast. He's just hang gliding. Quite the ride.
I don't know whether to be amused or to feel sorry for the thing.
He's probably, or it's probably going to be like, there's so much
Alright.
food up here.
I'm trying to release the samples.
Swim free.
It's like,
It's on a
Open up that
mission.
firebox.
Cue the Mission Impossible music. Is he gonna put on a mask? And,
oh, I think we lost him.
oh
Lost him.
no. Is he really? Or is he just like underneath the ROV
Yeah,
trying to find the vulnerability in the bio box?
Yeah. You're gonna see him like climb over the front of the basket.
He's got an incendiary device.
Using the claws to try to cut out the wood.
I got a little particle of the... Yeah, I'm not... You guys will have to let us know if it's still clinging.
Oh, there's a friend.
Oh,
Oh,
was that a squid?
that was a
A
squid.
little squid? It zipped right out of there, didn't it?
Bridge now. Hi Flavia, just wanted to confirm, is the captain on his bike? Great, thank you.
Seems like we have some hatchet fish swimming through. Maybe getting off watch, but got a whole bunch of eDNA samples to process.
Oh, yeah.
Anyone else have exciting evening plans, early morning plans?
Some sleep.
The lab.
Post dive file processing, do the checklist for tomorrow.
Oh. How long does that take, Dave?
Inside of an hour.
That's not too bad.
Well, at midnight's the end of my watch, but I told Samantha to not bother to get up for
Oh,
work.
that was
that was
nice.
nice.
Go to sleep. So I'm already up,
Yeah.
everything ready for the dive tomorrow morning
Nice.
for myself. So it's really you know.
Oh, that's true. We are gonna have another one last episode of Blue Water Radio.
Yeah, launch them and leave them.
20 more meters till our Niskin deployment.
Bridge, go for nav. Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, we are at 52 meters coming up.
Watching?
Oh, look at it.
Stop it.
Did it trigger? I didn't have a good visual.
It did, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Coming in for a docking procedure on that squid.
All right, ready to call back? You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Deck control.
Control, back deck, go ahead.
We're at 50 meters. Our Niskin is taken care of and we're ready to come up.
Deck copies, all stop, 50 meters. Break, bridge, back deck. Permission to go ahead and recover the ROVs.
Charlie to recover.
Good night, Captain.
Thank you for that last Niskin. We still have our pumps running. We'll turn them off till we get interference from the bubbles or need to turn them off.
Yeah, thank you for those that were tuning in. Probably gonna have our next one dive tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. Southwest Standard Time, and it's gonna be our dive H206.
Oh, jeez. Oh, they're going after
Yeah,
something.
where the fish got...
I knew it.
Can you center up that camera there, Esteban?
It's like a
Oh, feeding frenzy.
feeding frenzy.
Inking frenzy.
Wow.
Yeah, fish got caught in the props and caused a little excitement there.
Little midnight snack for them all.
Control, back deck. Have eyes on Hercules coming up to starboard of the A-frame.
Control copies.
That's all I can do. Giving her all she's got. Could turn and back up.
Whoa, lots of squid. Look at that.
Hang in there.
Deck winch, 15 meters.
Well, I think it worked.
Yep.
Stopping mesos.
Roger.
Will you stop the tri-tech, Esteban?
And stopping pump 14 and 15. Let me know when you're ready for volumes.
Go ahead.
Okay, 14 is 35.5 liters, and 15 is 35.4.
Thank you.
Control deck. Hercules is 10 meters from the transom.
Control copies, Herc, 10 meters from the transom.
Control deck, that's Hercules passing the transom.
Copy, Herc, past the transom.
Control deck, that's Hercules coming out of the water.
Copy, Herc, out of the water.
Power secure.
Deck, power is secure.